It looks like Christmas has come early this year. So this is my new Oscar and Hamish Tesla Model S Frunk Luggage. All right, look at this. Let's set this up and see what it's like. So as you can see, my frunk is pretty dirty. I'm often putting a lot of outdoor gear in my frunk, anywhere from disc golf bag to running shoes, to climbing shoes, hiking shoes. So my Model S frunk gets a bit dirty. So I'm hoping with this Frunk Luggage, I'll be able to store everything I need and protect the liner of my frunk. Okay, so here we are. I've got my Frunk Luggage loaded in, and check it out. Fits my disc golf bag, fits some shoes over in this bag, and then my hiking shoes right here over in this one. So the Frunk Luggage is going to be really useful for my day-to-day. So I can now put my outdoor gear inside the luggage instead of just throwing it into the liner of my frunk. But where I think this is going to be really valuable is on traveling. So one of the things with the Tesla Frunks is they have this rise at the edges. You've got this deeper spot here, a little higher up spot here. And the challenge is when you're packing, how to make good use of that space. And when I'm going car camping and traveling with multiple people, I need every bit of storage I can get. So I'm excited for next time I go on a car camping trip to be able to use this to pack up some of my gear, because so long as it fits in this bag, I know I'm gonna be able to fit it in the right place in the frunk. So let's take a look at this without anything inside. Got a nice liner. I think it's gonna make this real durable and pretty easy to clean. Kind of got a soft felt suede on the inside on the top. Same design in the side pockets. Kind of more rugged, plasticky feeling interior with a suede on the top of the lid.